Highway 7 is a part of a Nordic triangle traffic system regarded as significant by the EU. It is also a part of Finland's most important international road corridor, the European road E18, which will be further developed into a motorway to stretch from Turku to St. Petersburg. The road plan around Hamina area is based on an environmental impact evaluation done in 1996 and the general plan completed in 2005. The highway passes downtown Hamina, north of it. This routing was included in the regional plan in 2001. Since then, the city of Hamina has drawn a master plan and city plans encompassing the motorway. The speed limit on the motorway is 120 kilometers per hour, except only 100 kilometers per hour is allowed in the urban stretch between Summa and Husula. In the entry roads, speed limits gradually go down from 80 to 40 kilometers when approaching the center. The new Hamina bypass road departs from the current motorway at Summa and continues towards Husula at the current Highway 26. In the road architecture of the motorway, the color scheme used is the one designed for throughout the E18. Traffic noise is diminished with protective walls between the road and housing. The Lanka-Malmi interchange, north of Summa, will serve the purposes of land usage. The area is planned to have an extensive center for trade and business. The groundwater areas are protected from the effects of road maintenance and traffic. A parallel road will be constructed for the local traffic and pedestrian and bicycle ways for between Summa and Husula. The Ruissalo interchange is the key connection from the Hamina harbour to the motorway. A road dedicated to light traffic and noise prevention walls will be built on Suokallion tie leading to the harbour. The motorway continues in a deep rock cutting from Ruissalo towards Husula. A bridge will be built across the road for the use of outdoor exercising and the city ski centre. It also has an ecological corridor for animals. The motorway passes under the railway leading to the harbour and continues towards the tunnel that passes under Husula. The tunnel significantly reduces the disturbance caused to housing by the motorway and traffic. Cemeteries are connected with a park area. Local road connections are built on top of the tunnel. The new highway will turn from Husula towards Kolsila, north of the Kirkojärvi Natura Environmental Protection Area. The invaluable water areas, rich in birds and nature, are protected with transparent noise prevention walls. The Husula intersection joins Highway 26, an important heavy transport route leading to Taavetti and Lappeenranta with the motorway. The motorway runs across the thread-like village structure of Kolsila and Sivatti. Kirkojärven tie passes over the motorway north of a school. Housing in the Kolsila area is protected by noise-reducing embankments and walls. A short tunnel through a rock will be built in Kolsila to reduce any inconvenience caused to housing. The nature preserved above the tunnel will serve as a route for animals. From Kolsila, the road turns towards Lelu. The motorway will not run over any valuable parts of nature. A driver on the motorway will enjoy a panoramic view over the Mäntyjoki field clearing. For private road connections, bridges will be built to ensure secure passes over the motorway. Some bridges are built particularly as passageways for elks. The Lelu junction connects the current highway with the motorway and serves also as the eastern entry point to Hamina. The junction will temporarily be a same-level junction, but it will be rebuilt as a two-level intersection when the motorway is extended towards Valimar. The current highway will remain in use parallel to the motorway for the use of local traffic. The Museotia crossing will be turned into a roundabout for the eastern gateway to Hamina. It drops driving speed when approaching the centre of Hamina. A western entry road will start from the Hamina two-level intersection. This road will go through a renovation and be turned into a central road serving land usage. The architecture of the entry road will have a design and colour scheme that emphasises the uniqueness of the city of Hamina. In the entry road from Summa and to Poitsila, a guardrail will be placed between the two direction lanes to improve road safety. The Poitsila two-level intersection is the most important intersection for the Hamina harbour and the Summa mills. In the middle of the road from Poitsila towards the city centre, a green lane will be built with greenery and lighting. A roundabout will be built at Pitayansari to serve as the western gateway to Hamina, and it will be connected with the current Helsinki-tie. A new pedestrian and bicycle road will be built between Pitayansari and the centre. It will replace the old Tervasaari bridge connection that will be dismantled. The intersection of Ratapihankatu and Merikatu will be replaced with a new roundabout. The Hamina Bypass Road will delete the road E18's only traffic flow bottleneck in the city and grant a unified service level for the road. The bypass road will remove any disturbances caused by traffic to the city environment and housing, reduce the number of serious traffic accidents, and diminish noise hazards and groundwater contamination risk. The bypass road will have a positive impact on the southern Kymenlaakso region's business environment and the city's land usage. The project is estimated to cost €155 million. The Finnish Road Administration aims to start the motorway construction in 2010 and to complete it in approximately 3 years.